Atlas, what are we looking for?
Water.
Water, are you thirsty? What?
Okay, medium hazard, moderate surf and or currents, low hazard, calm conditions, exercise caution.
All healthy. They had one.
Absence of flag does not assure safe waters.
Ram's reading the flag safeties for us. We want green. Absence of a flag doesn't mean it's safe.
There's a yellow one there, so let's try to.
It's yellow today?
Salty.
Oh, it's this here. I think there's more.
This is too much water. You can't even see all the way across.
Not to go in too far and get shipped off to Canada.
What are you doing? Oh, Amelia, you're not doing that thing that we see on the internet. You're not digging a hole, are you? I gotta get my other camera. Alright, Atlas, I'm ready. Watch out for the dead fish, though. Go! Oh! Oh! Sit down in it. Sit down. Oh gosh! I gotta get out. Oh gosh! She's getting washed away. Oh, get out of the water. It's too cold. Did you put your feet in, Mom? That's Mom's turn. Atlas, you gotta keep the water away from our stuff though. You're dripping. Hurry, she's going next to it. I'm gonna kick the water. Get back, water! Get back! Oh, it's getting me! It's pulling me in! Get back, water! Oh, I got my butt! Oh God, she's getting washed away! It's getting Atlas! Oh, Atlas! Grab my hand! Oh, I got you! Oh God! I don't like that water. Atlas, Atlas, grab my hand. I see a seagull down there. Let's chase it. Are you ready? See it? It's right there. Ready, set, go! Get it! Get out of there, seagull! Good job. We gotta go down by Mom though. Oh, you passed Mom! You passed Mom! Out there. to see. We'll come back. So I need to see. What is it? What'd you find? Shell? Let's name him Shelly. Well, let's keep him. Let's go. Oh, this thing's kind of hard to walk on. Yeah. We gotta go up that big hill. You can do that, right? Run ahead of me. Come on, girl. Don't give up. Oh man, look at the lovebirds are up there.
Go.
Let's keep going. I'll race you. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Mom, run. I'm waiting. Are you okay? Atlas, what happened to your face? Atlas. Face is covered in sand. What do you need help with? Grab her, Mom. Pull her out. Oh, she's sliding. Those kids are still up there. They said it was the big kids area and they wouldn't let us come up there. We'll go back to the lot. Oh, she fell again. Say hi. Are you having fun?
No, you cold.
You got cold. Oh God, warm me up. Warm you up. Warm you up.
No, I'm gonna go to trap.
Okay, let's come on. We're ready.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there.
Goodbye, Lake Michigan. Goodbye, Amelia. We'll see you next year. Goodbye, chipmunk. We've seen a lot of chipmunks on vacation this summer.
Park.
How cold was that water?
Too cold.
It said 63 degrees, but I think it was colder than that. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us for another video as we visited Lake Michigan out here at whatever the park name Chris said it was. I'll put it in the description. But we're headed back to our hotel room for our next trip that'll start tomorrow. So make sure you check back in the next couple of days. I'm sure we're gonna have more videos. I haven't watched the footage yet from today, but I'm sure it was probably pretty windy, at least windy sounding because of all the wind that was out here. Atlas, she had a blast. But because of the wind and the cold water temperature, we're freezing. So like I said, we're gonna head back to the hotel room and we will check in tomorrow. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Check back regularly for new videos. And until next time, we will see you in the next video.